I'm sorry, I didn't see you there. I was looking at my YouTube videos because, as you can see, I am trying to find a song to play over here so that I can create a YouTube dance video, because in the earlier two videos, I hope you saw it and subscribed on it, but if you didn't, the music was too loud in the first one, and in the second one I didn't put any because it was too loud. So that's why I was searching some good song to put over here. And yeah, so hi guys, it's me Shriya, and today I'm going to be making a YouTube dance video number 3. And before I get started, I want you to like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and comment down below what are your favorite cartoon character songs. Like, what are your favorite, like, every cartoon has a theme song, right? So I want you to comment a cartoon character song. And yeah, so I'm just gonna be starting my video right now, and I'm just gonna be putting some music on this. And yeah, so let's get started.